My name is Kirill Gerstein, and I'm thrilled to be here at Mount Allison University and to be the second Bragg Artist-in-Residence. Well, it's been great this week to be on campus, and to be here for several days is in some way unusual because sometimes I come in, do a recital, it might be at the university, and that's very brief. But here to become for a couple of days almost a part of regular life at Mount Allison, and important things happen in education centers. This is a wonderful reminder, and for myself. And then of course the individuals that one encounters along the way, this is what shapes the experience, and I think it would do disservice to say and this is what I can reduce it to, that this is what I learned, or this is what, so. But each interaction, and they have been all very positive, I think shapes us a little bit. So I certainly leave a different person.
It's been quite an experience having such a world-class pianist come to Mount Allison, and I got to have lots of time with him from the masterclass on Friday. He worked with the jazz band Sunday afternoon, and then I just had a lesson with him Monday morning, and just short of life-changing. I pulled away lots of music experience, and also kind of like his life as a concert pianist, and the fact that kind of profession exists has even been kind of eye-opening.
I can absolutely see myself coming back to sort of the Bragg Artist-in-Residence program next year. The singer I play for and we worked with Adrian Pajanka last year. Even having that not be my discipline, that was fantastic. And obviously, this being sort of a piano weekend, is really special for me, but regardless of the discipline, whichever artist comes in, not necessarily even just for playing on your instrument, but just for performance. Yeah, whatever comes next, I'm gonna be there, 100%.
It's been a fantastic week. The students, their excitement is palpable, especially after his fantastic recital that we heard on Saturday night. And then the chance to get to kind of work more closely with him in the last couple of days have really been inspiring, I think, for a lot of them.
Thank you so much, Bragg family, for this opportunity to study with Kirill Gerstein. He's an amazing pianist and a fantastic teacher, and I wouldn't have had that opportunity otherwise.
So on behalf of all the faculty and students here at Mount Allison, I would like to thank the Bragg family for their incredible generosity. This program now in its second year is really becoming one of the focal points of our academic year, and really one of the highlights of our students. And I'm sure that when they look back on their time here at Mount Allison as music students, they will surely remember these residencies and the fantastic artists that we've been able to put them in touch with.